Hi, this is a good one. Nature of the beast. That's another idiom. The nature of the beast refers to the basic characteristics of something. This idiom is often used when there's an aspect of something that cannot be changed, or that is unpleasant or difficult. Now, would you agree that would be a good idiom to use for examinations? One of the problems with education, you could say, was that you had to sit hard exams at the end of the year. But that's the nature of the beast. The nature of the beast.